Discussion over something in the water has been pushed back again, this time because of the wildfires on the West Coast. In a special session tonight, Deputy City Manager Amanda Jarrett said the members of Something in the Water planning team have been severely affected by the fires in California. Mayor Bobby Dyer talked about continuing to extend grace to event organizers, citing the economic impact the festival brings to Virginia Beach.
Because once again, having an event of this magnitude before Memorial Day can really set a positive tone. And I think what it shows not only the rest of the nation, but the world, that Virginia Beach is open for business and it is a good, safe place to be. And Mrs. Henley, I agree with you.
The city manager is planning to touch base with the team this week, and they hope to have a more robust update for council next Tuesday. We'll keep you updated.